Good day, everyone. In behalf of the CorCAARRD, under the leadership of President and Chair Felipe Salain Cumila, I am going to present major accomplishments of the Consortium under the 5 banner programs. The Consortium successfully conducted 9 agency in-house reviews from 9 RDIs with 494 R&D papers presented that culminated into the 11th Joint CorCAARRD Shared Regional Research and Development Highlights, which was actually the 31st regional symposium, with the theme Kalkali, which is a Kankanai word meaning conversations, engaging R&D potentials for broader S&T innovations and linkages that speaks of the need to share and converse about R&D results and research breakthroughs, with 172 papers and posters both from the professional and student categories. As far as accessing publication incentives from PCAARRD is concerned, the Consortium was able to endorse 18 papers, 14 papers were approved. As far as resources from PCAARRD is concerned, 2.663,532.80 and there was a 97% utilization of this fund. Under the banner program Strategic R&D, we have the following technologies with impacts that either come in singly or as a package of technologies. In the STCBF on chrysanthemum, trichoderma with mokosaco and cultural management practices resulted to Class AA spray chrysanthemum, which commanded better price. For the SAFE program, comprehensive assessment of the S&T based technologies with economic and social acceptability as indicators reveal that with appropriate reconfiguration of S&T technologies to adapt to local needs and resources, again, trichoderma as biopesticide is highly recommended in the context of climate change. The SAFE program assessment also showed climate-resilient crops such as kamote and other root crops using clean planting material technologies were also adopted by farmers even after the project. Likewise, the BSU introduced windbreak technology was replicated in at least 2 LGU partners in the region. As far as the Arabica industry is concerned, aside from the concrete policy recommendations, technology adopted by Arabica growers is the coffee-based agroforestry system that proves effective as a soil conservation and production management practice that utilizes mulching as well as intercropping. 3 proposals were packaged and endorsed for possible funding, of which 1 program proposal was packaged with the assistance of Dr. Gil Mendoza, the DOST Balik scientist. 1 proposal was approved for implementation, and there are 5 ongoing projects under R&D with 2 collaborative projects still under R&D. For the 3rd banner program, R&D results utilization, 8 proposals were packaged and endorsed for possible funding, 2 were approved for implementation, and at least 7 are registered as ongoing projects as under R&D results utilization. The Consortium conducted at least 6 seminars and trainings, starting with the financial management webinar organized by PCAARRD and coordinated by the Consortium in April of this year. And another activity in the same month, Ride Shop workshop on smart agriculture and other thematic areas with the DOST Balik scientist Dr. Guillermo Mendoza as our resource person. Another training was conducted in July on the introduction of unmanned aerial vehicle and its application in RDE using blended platform. Another one was held in September, packaging RDE proposals and writing for publications with another Balik scientist, Dr. Zenaida Nganga as our resource person. In November, through the Ugnay grant, we conducted COVID-19 wellness activity, and then in December, we had planning workshops for the Consortium Manual of Operations together with the Regional Technical Working Group. The Secretariat also conducted 2 plannings, one mid-year and one year-end planning. For policy advocacy, we have listed here at least 5 policies advocated. The first one would be the policy advocacy towards a convergence roadmap for the agro-enterprise development of Arabica coffee industry in Benguet and Mountain Province. Another one was the Hagabi, Phase 1, harnessing agriculture to achieve a bountiful Ifugao. And another one would be the science and technology-based home and school gardening technologies. Another one would be the NEDA RRDC Resolution number 47, proposing the amendment of Section 12 of the Indigenous Peoples. We also had the Farmers Forum led by ATI-DA showing good practices in the ANR sector with active interaction with our farmer participants, and there was a strong clamor for support for the marketing of their agricultural products.